So this is my green container. And then Sabine and I said we should show the water. And then somehow this time, this factory sent me this, I think this was fallen from something. So I wanted to use and show this. It's a beautiful gold inside it. So I just put in the, so when you see it, come closer. You don't see actually very well, but when you put the water in here, this ball will expand. So you see things differently. Yes, it does. Then, so this is the allium again, which is very interesting one. And then, this allium, they have normally, all plants want to go straight forward, but this one, our human, they put the fence on the top of it, and then they don't know where to go. So they just dancing all around. So poor allium actually. So I just wire them a little bit to make it together. And put everything together like this. And then intertwine it a little bit. Like this. Then I would like to put this leaf, which is called bird nest fern. Maybe you find it in India. This leaf is, I think it's very, very unusual because there is a front side and back side is totally different. And then this, in the middle, it's dark brown. It's kind of special, I think. So I just put this side like this. And then as it's almost the same length, and then I would like to make a difference. So I would just make again, I would like to cut. Okay. And another one. Maybe I should show the other side as well. As I said, it's very original leaf. Maybe yes, it would be interesting as well. Then now for the end, I would like to put this this is not a leaf. This is the thread I use for embroidery, like just make a point. This is my thread. I buy it. Well, actually, I order it from France. I use this thread like, I think it was 2019 for the Sogetsu exhibition. So I just put it to make it some difference with other colors. Okay, so this is my fourth one, which is the name is, I don't know, the whispering nymph.